Here is a step-by-step guide on how to dispute inaccuracies on your credit report. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Polished Perfections. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us: credit reports. Have you ever checked your credit report and found something that just doesn't seem right? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of disputing inaccurate information on your credit report, or you just want to verify the information. Let's get started. Understanding the importance of accurate credit reports. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly discuss why having accurate credit reports is so crucial. Your credit report influences your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even impacts the interest rates you might be offered. Ensuring its accuracy is key to maintaining a healthy financial profile. Reviewing your credit report. The first step is to obtain a copy of your credit report. You can get a free copy annually from each of the major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Once you have your report, carefully review each section for any inaccuracies. Identifying inaccuracies. Common inaccuracies you might find incorrect is personal information, accounts you don't recognize, or errors in payment history. If something looks off, it's time to take action. How to dispute inaccuracies. 1. Gather evidence. Collect any supporting documents that prove the inaccuracies. This could include receipts, statements, or any correspondence with the creditor. 2. Write a dispute letter. I will email you a dispute letter template. The email address will be below in the description. 3. Send certified mail. Mail your dispute letter to the bureaus that you are disputing inaccuracies or would like to be validated. I will provide the names and addresses to the bureaus below in the description. That's it for today's video on disputing inaccuracies on your credit report. Remember, taking charge of your credit is an essential part of financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.